Hey, we're going to use massive to make a theremin. You only need first oscillator, so you can shut off oscillators 2 and 3, change the wave to a sine dash square, move the wavetable position knob all the way back. Learn your amp to expression so you have some volume control. Now go to the oscillator tab and move the glide time up about halfway, then the vibrato rate a little past halfway. Then you're going to MIDI learn this number 1 to your mod wheel and move the crosshairs into this box and click the box and move it up like that. Okay, then go to your voicing and make it monophonic with the legato triller. And the fourth envelope, move your attack up a bit, your sustain all the way up, and your release just a bit, and you have a theremin now.